Hello friends, welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. This is Nell. I'm sorry I've been missing in action for a few weeks. We've just been having so much going on here at home. We've been sick and then there's some major changes going on. So I've been off YouTube for a while and I apologize. But I wanted to share something really important with you. I've been making microwave bowl cozies, which are really popular on YouTube. There's a bunch of tutorials out there about how to make them. They're very simple and a very economical gift. The first one I made came out great. I used some Fusible batting and some Dollar Tree 100% cotton fabric, and it came out really nice. But I decided I wanted to be able to actually put my cozy in the microwave, and so tutorials said that it would be okay as long as you use 100% cotton batting and cotton thread and cotton fabric. So I did that, and I put it in the microwave to test it out, and look what happened. It caught on fire. I think the thread caught on fire. So I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys will know in case you're doing this DIY yourself, just to look out for this. So what I used is, again, the 100% cotton fabric that I got from Dollar Tree. I used this 100% cotton mercerized thread, and I used a batting that's made for microwave use. So I think it's called is it Wrap and Zap? It's made for designing potato bags, which you can bake potatoes in your microwave by putting it in this bag for a short amount of time. And everything that I use is supposed to be microwave safe. But as you can see, I started a fire in my microwave. The air in my home smelled terrible. It smelled like melting plastic. It was smoky, it was just something I wouldn't want to go through again. So be safe, guys, and happy holidays to you and your family.